our channel.
Welcome to our channel, he says. My name is Sarah.
My name is Connor.
Your name is Connor. What? What are we making today?
Strawberry cake for Valentine's Day.
Yes, we are. We are making a strawberry Valentine's Day dessert. So I baked me a cake.
A cake with whipped cream.
Okay. Just any cake mix box. This is what I used. I used the keto yellow cake, and I baked that. And then we're gonna use a scraper.
So we got that keto cake from Kroger.
You're right, we did. Totally. Okay, now you're not gonna repeat everything I say, okay? Deal?
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna use this scraper, and we're gonna use the back end of it, and we're just gonna poke some holes in here. That sounds like something you would like to do, huh? Do you want to poke holes in there?
Oh, sure.
All right, have at it.
Poke.
Lots of it down, all the way down in the bottom. There you go. Okay, pokey. So, cake.
Cake.
In Pennsylvania Dutch
Yeah.
is kuha.
What? Kuha?
Yep.
We're making Valentine's Day kuha.
That's right. We're making Valentine's Day
It
kuha.
looks like I have puppy ears.
Okay. So I poked a bunch of holes in there, as you can see. I melted one box of strawberry cello. And this is what I used. I just used a strawberry plant-based. It's sugar-free, keto-friendly. And you just go by what the directions are on the box as far as melting it. And then I'm going to stir that up, and we're just going to pour that over the cake. Does that look yummy?
What are the holes for?
The holes is for the cello to go in there. And then it makes the cake taste like strawberry cello. So we're just going to spread that all over the cake.
Hey, what do we do it?
Let you do it? Okay, you spread that.
Okay, really good.
Okay, is it all spread out?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Now, I have some instant vanilla pudding.
That's like
I also use the sugar-free keto instant pudding. Hopefully you can see that.
Cello.
And then you also just mix that by what the directions are on the box. You can use any kind of milk. I used almond milk, but you can use whatever you want. And then I have 2 cups of freshly pureed strawberries. And I'm going to pour that into the vanilla instant pudding.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's going to be yummy.
Yeah, really yummy for my tummy.
Yum. And we're going to stir that in there.
We can't barely see the vanilla.
Yeah, we can't really, can we? I need a whisk.
A whisk?
Yep, let me grab a whisk.
What's a whisk?
A whisk.
Oh.
This is a whisk.
Oh, that's it. I can. Whoa. It looks like the strawberries are getting really dizzy.
So, strawberries in Pennsylvania Dutch is appbatter.
We're making appbatter.
Appbatter cake. Appbatter kuha. Can you say that?
Appbatter kuha.
There you go. This little guy can't speak Pennsylvania Dutch. I know it's a little sad, but we don't speak it here at home. And we're trying to teach him some, so.
You don't want to be Amish.
You don't want to be Amish?
You don't want to be Amish.
No, you want to be Amish?
No.
I'm just gonna pour this all over the cake.
I'm not going to be Amish.
You don't want to be Amish?
I'm not going to be Amish when I grow up.
Okay. That's good. All right.
Because I'm not Amish.
And then the man comes in the door.
And then the man, the walking building man.
So we're just gonna pour this over the cake. We're gonna spread it out.
Spread it out. Why we do this?
Let you do this.
I'm gonna do it really good. You all spread out. You all spread out.
Okay. All good. Oh, that looks yummy, doesn't it?
Yummy
Yummy for my tummy. I'm gonna rinse my scraper off so that I can.
It smells like the pudding that is really good.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
What is it called?
So you can see how that looks. Ooh, it's starting to get layered. That looks really cool too.
It's
gonna look so good. You wanna see the bottom?
Yee, shall we?
It looks good, doesn't it? And then we have 2 cups
Cream.
of heavy whipping cream. I whipped this till it got stiff, and then I added around a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we're just gonna put that right on top.
I'm gonna look at what it done was just swipe.
Okay. Cream in Pennsylvania Dutch
Is beam.
Beam. No, it's not. Cream is rom.
Warm.
Rom. Can you say that?
Warm.
Mm-hmm.
We're making warm cream. We're making the warm cream. We got 4 and the way. We make the warm one.
Uh-huh. Goofy. See if I can spread this on here.
Let me spread it on.
No, this is a little
Hardest
a little more touchy.
Too complicated for you.
Spreads a little hard.
It's too complicated for you. I'm stronger. Who's stronger?
Oh, this is gonna look so yummy.
Really yummy.
I'm so excited to eat it. Are you excited to eat it?
It's gonna be too yummy. I'm gonna spit it out.
That's not very nice.
Okay, it's gonna be too yummy. Yum yum. Who's in it? It's gonna be too yummy. I'm gonna eat it all.
You're gonna eat it all? I want some too. You can't have it all.
You can eat it all. Okay, everybody gets
Alright,
some.
this takes a little bit of patience because the ideal thing would be to set it in the fridge
Yum yum.
until the if you don't want to take the time to spread out the cream, you set it in the fridge until the instant vanilla pudding
until it's all melted.
Gets nice and firm. That way you could spread this out a little bit better. So, all right, that doesn't look too bad, huh?
Yeah, we have a new channel.
Okay.
And
now
we lick it.
Oh yeah, you were gonna lick this. Now to make it really nice and fancy and Valentine-y. Valentine-y, what a word is that?
Valentine-y.
Yeah, right. So a heart in Pennsylvania Dutch is a hot. Hot. Yep.
Hot.
So we're gonna take these strawberries. I chopped up these fresh strawberries, or I cut them up. I sliced them up. See if I can get it out. And we're gonna put it on here. Should we make a shape like a heart?
Uh-huh.
We should.
Uh-huh.
All right, let's see if we can do that. It's not too bad.
Hey,
look at that.
This will look more like
Happy Valentine's Day.
this will
I'm gonna set it in the fridge for a couple hours, and then we're gonna taste it.
I know what it will look like.
What are you gonna do?
Make it like
Interesting.
this.
Okay, he fixed it. All right.
Now, happy Valentine's Day. I'm going to my cousin's house tomorrow.
That's right. All right, now we're gonna
Turn
it
look
off.
at. Okay. See you little alligators. That looks good.
You want the first bite?
Yeah. Yeah.
We just ate.
He's
Mexican
already eating.
Oh, a little bit too. Little bitty.
What is it?
I call it strawberry Valentine's dessert.
Valentine's dessert. Makes you close your eyes. Oh, it's good.
Tastes pretty romantic, huh?
Yummy frosting. Oh my.
I don't know. I don't think of romance when I eat.
Yummy chocolate.
I love eating.
For my tummy.
Mm-hmm.
Yummy chocolate milk for my tummy.
Chocolate milk. Is it good? You like it?
I like chocolate milk. I'm eating chocolate.
Do you like the cake? Yeah, okay.
I like candy.
Chugging it down.
Yeah. Some on your nose.
I win.
Look at me, Daddy.
Oh, look at you. Are you a little bitty teddy bear? Wow, Mama cleaned it off.
I'm a teddy bear.
Okay.
I want more.
I want no more.
Bye, people. You know, I'm expecting to just sit there and watch us eat dinner, do we?
Nope.
Oh, you can eat that. You got a booger.
Ew! Strawberry booger.
Oh, now you get to eat it.
Sucked it up in his nose. Cello.
Wow.
Was that good? That's a new way of eating, huh? You're snorting it now.
All right,
Somebody's
peace
snorting
out.
it. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Oh, thanks for watching. And if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Bye.